In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure and customize template layouts in HubSpot. We'll begin inside HubSpot's trial guide. This guided area is a convenient starting point because it highlights the core tools you'll use while evaluating the platform. If you're already signed in, open the trial guide from your main navigation. It loads a clean dashboard that makes it easy to jump into the tools you need for building and refining your templates. From here, head to the content section. This is where you'll find the assets and tools tied to your website pages, landing pages, emails, and the design resources that power them. Moving into content keeps your workflow organized and ensures you're using the native editor built for marketers and developers alike. Next, open the Design Manager. Think of the Design Manager as your command center for layouts, modules, and styling. It's where templates live, and it's where you'll define how content is structured. On the left, you'll see your file tree. In the main area, you'll work with the layout editor. The interface supports drag and drop sections and modules, plus detailed settings so you can control spacing, alignment, and responsive behavior. Now, choose an existing template you want to refine or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Picking an existing template is great when you want to stay on brand and iterate quickly. Creating a new template gives you full control over structure from the ground up. As you open a template, pay attention to the layout hierarchy. Sections contain rows, rows contain modules, and modules hold your actual content. Naming your elements clearly will save time later, especially when multiple editors are collaborating. With your template open, use the Actions menu to customize. This is where you can edit, clone, or adjust settings without losing your original work. Add or rearrange sections to set the page flow, then drop in modules like rich text, images, forms, or CTAs to build out content areas. Select each module to fine-tune details such as spacing, width, and alignment. If your template supports style fields, set global colors, fonts, and spacing here to keep your design consistent. For complex changes, consider cloning the template first so you have a safe working copy. As you make edits, save frequently. Saving preserves version history, letting you roll back if needed. When you're satisfied, use the preview to confirm responsive behavior across devices and ensure everything looks polished. That's it. By starting in the trial guide, moving through content to the Design Manager, opening or creating the right template, and customizing via the Actions menu with consistent saves, you'll build clean, flexible HubSpot templates that are easy